Look at this design. Everything is big, everything is bold, everything is trying to stand out. And that is a problem. When everything stands out, obvious nothing does. This design has no focal point. A focal point is the first place your eyes lands. If I ask you where should I look first and you can't answer immediately, this design is weak. Now let us fix it. What you can do first, reduce the size of a secondary text. Let's create a margin first. Okay, now let us reduce this around this. Okay, and same to this. Let this one press here. Then the headline, let it remain as big and bold as it is. Maybe let us extend the size around this. And this. Let us change to regular. Okay, what to do next? Adjust the spacing around the elements. Let us press around this. And this one. And reduce this one around this. Okay, now I think you see this is stroke and inner glow to this headline. This is not added for accident. It is for contrast that you can also apply it on your next project if you are interested with it. Now look again. What do you look first? Exactly. Always the human eye is not random. It is always attracted to size, contrast, color intensity, and directional cues. And your brain looks for dominant, that is hierarchy. If everything has equal weight, the brain feels tension. This is why many posters feel noise, not because of bad fonts or colors, but because of not having visual reader. A good design always has a reader. Now, if you are a business or designer, know that focal point controls message priority. If the discount is important, it must dominate the design. And if the brand name is important, it must read. Design is always about controlled communication. Now see this structure. A focal point creates clarity. Clarity builds confidence, and confidence builds trust. If your design has no reader, then your message has no direction. Control the attention and your design will start working. If you want to design with intention, subscribe for weekly structured breakdowns. Thank you for watching and see you until next time.